Alright, we're working on the 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger, and I got it all put back together now with the air cleaner all back in place and the hoses for air cleaner going from there to there and so forth, and got the heat riser pipe on it. I think some people even call that the heat stove. Everything's all hooked up nice. I got the plate back in, way back in the corner there. That wasn't easy. And also finished putting back together the interior. There you go on that. And I guess we're going to hold off on dropping the transmission for right now. So, well, there you go. We're all put back together. This truck can be used. So I don't know if we're going to be using it here shortly because it's time to plant the crop again. Calves are being born and so forth. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.